of India to formally inaugurate the Viksit Bharat.
So basically weather system है इसमें हमने temperature इसमें basically sensor की मदद से temperature का humidity का pollution का extreme conditions देख सकते हैं और भी
और इससे अगर हमें
अगर तो ये हो जाएगा ऐसे ही
So thank you. आप सभी को बधाई और आप आज अच्छा करो तो अच्छा करो तो अच्छा देश का बैंक तो आप और 16 लाख आप उसकी हर एक चीज में आप देश का बना है सोल्यूशन बनाओगे ना आपके लिए से भारत होगा पक्का और मैं थैंक यू
Vocal for local, and our product is exactly buddy. So in Uttarakhand, mother is known as Ijan. So we are working on this. That's why we kept the name exactly buddy. Our innovation celebrates the local buddy of Uttarakhand, which is made up of mass, a kind of
fail multiple times before you come up with the real prototype, and that is a very important aspect of this thing. And also please remember that you are actually participating in a competition. I think many of you should continue with this particular project beyond Buildathon. So Buildathon will make one level of prototype and probably will test it. There may be a few refinements, will go and build one. So usually what we say in innovation is you have to fail but fail fast. That means earlier you fail, you are learning, you are getting more information for building your next prototype. So it's never a linear process, idea to impact. You have to go back and forth a few times, which we do. And most refined products go through this cycle which we call as design, build, test, fail, modify. And once you have done a few times, you are ready for your market ready and successful product. Just to give a couple of my earlier example, I mentioned about Saira who wanted to actually build a smokeless furnace and I think she went on to expand that and even built a smokeless chula with her team to people. And this is just an example of a smokeless chula which is
Hello everyone, myself Mushkil.
Myself Summer.
We are from 9th class from Shri Ram New Satluj School, Sirsa, Haryana. Our project is based on earthquake alarm. What is earthquake? Defining earthquake is a sudden movement of the ground caused due to release of energy into the earthquake. Our project will explain by Summer.
तो अर्थक्वेक अलार्म बनाने के लिए जो मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं उनके नाम हैं बैटरी होल्डर, बजर, स्विच और कुछ वायर के साथ सेफ्टी पिन और एक नट बोल्ट का इस्तेमाल किया। हमने एक वायर सेफ्टी पिन के साथ कनेक्ट की है जो कि बजर से भी कनेक्टेड है और हमारी दूसरी वायर जो कि डायरेक्टली बैटरी से कनेक्टेड है। तो जैसे ही हमारी ये वायर सेफ्टी पिन के साथ टच होएगी तब हमारा सर्किट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तब बजर बज जाएगा जिससे हमें पता लग जाएगा कि अर्थक्वेक आया है। Let's see.
Sudden shaking of the land causes the alarm activation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Saurav from class 10, Sri Ram New Satluj Senior Secondary School, Sarsa.
And myself Daksh from class 9, Senior Secondary School, Sissa. So today we are here representing a project on electricity generation using piezoelectric plates. So today we made a project on piezoelectric plates. There is a material called piezoelectric plates which generate electricity after applying a force or a pressure on it. So when a pressure applied on plates, it generates electricity. So we use those plates here and connected it with wires to a rechargeable battery and Arduino, so that if electricity generates and pedestrian will walk, so electricity generation recharge the battery and battery will give the current to the street lamps. As you can see, we use IR sensor here. So as it detects any type of movement, it activates the street lamp.
Here you can see the working of our project piezoelectrical plate energy generating. Thank you.